Here are 7 dumbbell exercises to work out your biceps. And stay tuned as I go through each of these movements step by step. Bicep curls. Drag curls. Wide curls. Hammer curls. Reverse curls. Waiter curls. Zottman curls. Demonstrations. The standard bicep curl works out your biceps and your forearms. Start by grabbing a pair of dumbbells. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Roll those shoulders back. Keep that chest proud and core engaged. Have your arms at your side and your palms facing one another. You're gonna keep those elbows in place as you rotate those wrists and bring the dumbbells up to shoulder height and lower back down. And repeat. Up, down, up, down. The drag curl is a variation of the bicep curl that uses less of the deltoid muscles in the shoulders and more of the biceps. Start by grabbing a pair of dumbbells. Stand with those feet shoulder width apart. Get a slight bend in those knees. Roll those shoulders back. Keep that chest nice and proud. Then place your dumbbells in front of your hips with your palms facing forward. Our objective here is to raise the dumbbells up in a straight line. So to do that, we're going to drive those elbows back as we squeeze those biceps. Squeeze. Once my wrists are parallel to my elbows, then we can return to starting position. Wide curls emphasize the short head of the bicep. Start by grabbing a pair of dumbbells. Stand with those feet shoulder width apart. Slight bend in those knees. Roll those shoulders back. Keep that chest nice and proud and core engaged. Then we're gonna have our palms facing forward and rotate them out so they're angled just before 90 degrees. Keep those elbows in place as we curl up, squeezing those biceps, then lower down, return to starting position. Curl up, down, up, and down. Hammer curls emphasize the long head of the biceps. Start by grabbing a pair of dumbbells. Stand with those feet shoulder width apart. Roll those shoulders back, chest nice and proud, core engaged. The difference between bicep curls and hammer curls is that with hammer curls, our palms are gonna be facing one another. So keep those elbows in place as we bend and raise the dumbbells up to shoulder height, squeezing those biceps, lowering down. Down, up, down. The reverse curl is a great variation for forearm activation. Start by grabbing a pair of dumbbells. Stand with those feet shoulder width apart, slight bend in those knees. Roll those shoulders back, chest nice and proud and core engaged. Bring those dumbbells in front of the hips with those palms facing you. Elbows are gonna be locked in position. And then we're going to raise those dumbbells shoulder height. You'll notice that the dumbbells are slightly angled, so the thumbs are above the pinky in this diagonal. Waiter curls are another great variation for bicep and forearm activation. Start by grabbing one single dumbbell. Stand with those feet shoulder width apart. Roll those shoulders back, chest nice and proud. We're gonna hold the dumbbell with our palms facing up, sort of like a waiter would be serving a plate. Our elbows are gonna be in position, squeezing those biceps up to shoulder height, and slowly returning down. Zottman curls are a variation that incorporates elements of both the reverse curl and the classic bicep curl. Start by grabbing a pair of dumbbells. Stand with those feet shoulder width apart, slight bend in those knees. Roll those shoulders back. We're gonna start with our palms facing up. Hands are placed right in front of the hips. Then we're going to curl as you normally would. Elbows in place, bringing the dumbbells up to shoulder height. Here, we're gonna rotate our wrists. Our thumbs are slightly above the pinky in this diagonal. Then we're gonna slowly come down. Then return to starting position, rotating those wrists. Curl, rotate, slowly come down. Be sure to check out the rest of my channel for more exercise and equipment demonstrations. Thanks for watching.